But the bottom line is just because of the way that I grew up, I can't look beyond skin color.
Winston-Salem State continues to build the legend of Dr. Pat, which he was so affectionately known by, to continue the lectures and series. And today we had Miss Denise Franklin, who is the news director and assistant station manager at 88.5 WFDD in Winston-Salem.
Yeah.
All right. And who inspired you, or what inspired you to go on with these the ethics and leadership conferences going on right now?
I think it's because my drive to develop future journalists and knowing that the one thing that can derail reporters is sloppy reporting, little mistakes. It's very rare that people set out to say, I'm going to manufacture a story. That gets the headlines,
Right.
especially of late. But usually what gets them in trouble is just the smallest, minute stuff. And usually in a journalism class, it's one chapter in a book, but it's so important. So I just wanted to create a seminar and an environment that would make learning ethics fun. And so far, so good.
Okay.
But there are limitations to broadcast journalism. And it's incumbent upon you as your responsibility to educate yourselves.
Miss Denise Franklin came to us today to talk with us about an extension of a book from Dr. Gates called America Behind the Color Line. She has helped us celebrate this University Day today, October 27th. And she left us with a number of cliches, two of which stuck in my mind. One, no one can get in the way of yourself but you. And one of my favorites, a raggedy car is far more better than a cute walk. Ebony Douglas reporting for Ram Week News, Ram TV 19.